Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is beginner friendly guide on Git and GitHub. If you are just getting started with coding or if you have heard about Git and GitHub but are not quite sure about what they do this is video for you. Today I am going to break down this powerful tool in a simple term. So by the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of how they work and how they make coding easier. And if you like this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to help more people find it. Alright, let's start with Git. Git is something called a version control system. This is just mean it helps you save different version of your code so you can track changes over time. Go back to earlier version or even work with other on the same project without messing things up. Think of it as a save button of every big change in your code. Git is decentralized, which means each person working on a project has a whole history of the project saved on their own computers. This system makes working offline easy and keeps things fast. Best part is Git is free and open source, so anyone can use it. To understand Git better, let's look at some basic terms. Commit. Every time you make a commit, you are taking a snapshot of your code at the moment. This helps you keep track of changes as you go. Branch. A branch lets you work on new ideas or feature without affecting main code. It is like having your own separate workspace to test things out. Merge. Once your work on branches is done, you can merge it back to the main project. This is brings all your changes together and update the main code. To start with Git, you need to install it. Git works on Windows, Mac and Linux and installing it takes a few minutes. After installation, set up your Git profile by adding your name and email. This way others can see which contributions are yours if you are working in a team. Not into typing commands? No problem. There are user-friendly tools like GitHub Desktop that let you see Git with simple clicks. Now let's go over few basic Git commands that you will use often. Git init. This is start of a new Git project. Git add. Prepare your changes to be saved. Git commit. Save your changes as a snapshot you can go back to it. Git status. Show the current state of your file and changes. These commands are the core of using Git. So getting comfortable with this make everything super easy. Branches are one of the coolest features of Git. They let you create a separate space to work on new feature or bug fix without affecting the main project. You can create branch with Git branch name and switch it using Git checkout branch name. When you're ready, you can merge your branch back into main code with Git merge. Sometimes Git might ask you to resolve conflict, which means you will need to decide which version of code to keep. Don't worry, Git tools helps guide you through this. Git really shines when you are working with a team. Remote repository. You can connect to remote servers like GitHub to store your project online. This lets multiple people work on the same project together, sharing updates easily. Branching strategies. Team often use certain branching structure like Git flow strategy to keep work organized and make it easy to manage different parts of a project. Code review. When you work with others, reviewing each other's code helps to catch mistakes and keep quality high. Now let's talk about GitHub. GitHub is a place where you can store your Git project online, share them with the others and collaborate on them. You will find a local Git repository on your computer and a remote repository on a GitHub. Git push. This is a command upload your work from computer to GitHub. Git pull. This downloads update from GitHub to your computer. With GitHub, you get an extra tool for organizing, reviewing and sharing your code, which is super helpful for your team projects. GitHub make it easy to manage and work your code with other people. Repository management. GitHub's interface helps you see your file, track changes and keep things organized. Collaboration tool. You can use GitHub to review code, track issues and even manage projects. Communities. GitHub has a million of developers worldwide, so it is a great place to find open source projects, learn new things and even make connections. That's a wrap up. We have covered basic of Git and GitHub, from essential commands to collaboration tool. I hope this video helps you feel more confident about using these tools. If you want to dive deeper, there are some free courses for you. First one is from Apna College. This is for Hindi audience. And second one is from Free Code Camp. This is for English audience. I have linked it in the description for you. These are fantastic resources if you want to build your skill further. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you found this helpful. Best of luck with your project and see you next time. Bye bye. Thank you so much.